So welcome back. In our previous video, we have done uh, the the first data structure, which is list, where we said that list is a collection of items that is a collection of items where we can apply some method to access them. So in this video, we are going to talk about the second data structure, which is tuples. So what are tuples? Tuples are actually a list, but the slight difference between tuples and lists is that tuples can not be modified, which means if you want to create a list, because tuples are list, if you want to create a list that you don't want to modify values inside, so the correct data structure to use is tuples, where they're essentially list but they can be modified. So get set. Okay, now let enter in our console and see. Okay, now let's take for example a list of integers. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We stop here. Now if you return our list, here you have the list of integers from 1 to 7. Now as we said that tuples and list are the same thing, let's try to create a tuple with this same list. Let's say list 1 is equals to, and now to create a tuple we just change the square bracket of list into bracket, curly bracket, that is we put like this, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we have created our first tuple. If you try to return list 1, so here we created a tuple of integers, which is the same thing as list, but the difference, as we said, in tuples we cannot modify the items that are found in. Let's say for example in list we are having a list of integers from 1 to 7. We can change the value found in any index. Let's say for example list 0, which is the first item, we assign another value. Let's say we assign a string, because a list is a collection of, let's assign let's say Clement. Okay, now if I try to print the list, to return the list, you see that the first item here is Clement, where we have modified our list. And now let's try to do the same thing on our tuple to see the difference that I was talking about. Our tuple is list 1, and now let's try to modify the first value 0, which is equals to, let's try to put anything about, for example. So here we got an error where Python says tuples object does not support item assignment. Here it means that we cannot modify anything found in our tuple. It means that at the time we declare or initialize our tuple, we can change anything. So a tuple is a good example if you want to create a list that is that cannot be modified. Now the same way as we said, lists are having different method, where we saw we can append, we can find the index, we can know the number of occurrence of a number, and do so many stuff. Now as tuples cannot be modified, there are some method found in list that we will eliminate, that will not be useful. So here in tuples we are having two basic method, which is count method and the index method. Let's create a new tuple. Let's say tuple. Okay, no, let's say tuple 1, for example. Okay, and we assign with values 1, 2, 3. You can add with integers if you want. You can add 4, 5, 5, let's say, and 1 again. Now here, as we said, we are having two basic methods that we can use on tuples since we can modify them. We are having the first one that we use here is the count method. Let's try, and we said that the count method is used to know the number of occurrence of an item. Let's say here we know actually visible, we see that 5 occurs 2 times and 1 also occurs 2 times. So if we try to know the count or the occurrence of 5, let's say tuple 1 dot count, tuple 1 dot count. If you here, and we assign, now we pass the value that we want to count, let's the occurrence of 5. So here the console returns 2. As we said, Python 5 is having 2. We're having 2 5 in our list. Now let's try to see the number of occurrence of 1. So we use count 1, and here we're having the same thing 2. So here it is the first method that we have seen on our tuple, and the second method that is important on tuples is the index. Since we can modify, it's only to know the occurrence of a number and the index. We use the same tuple 1 and find the index of let's say index of, let's say 4, our 4 there. So here, if you see very well, you count here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is found in the position exactly number 4. If you try to see again the occurrence of the index, the index of let's say 5. As here you are having 2 5, you take the first index. So here index is 5 is found in position number 5, since we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is the basics of tuples. So in summary, tuples are exactly lists, but they are unchangeable. So at the time we initialize them, we can modify them. So this is all for this section, and in the next section we are going to talk about another important data structure, which is dictionaries. So thank you. Do not forget to subscribe and like.